I will be presenting at a company culture event called Teach Us Tuesday, where we have the opportunity to present a short 15-minute presentation on any topic we find interesting. I, of course, chose tartan. Because of the short time frame, which topics about tartan should I cover? I plan to use USA Kilts Tartan Designer as a homework piece for my attendees to play with after the event. So basically, he's going to be doing a quick TED Talk on tartan.
Okay.
But how do you encapsulate that or pick out one thing about tartan to make it interesting? Exciting.
So, yeah, I think for me, it would be 15-minute time limit in front of your peers at the company.
Mm-hmm.
I'm assuming 98% of them know nothing about tartan, and the 2% that know something maybe recognize Royal Stewart. So I would give a very light touch, brief history of tartan evolution over time. Mm-hmm. So I would start with Glen Affric, touch on district tartans, touch on maybe the King's Visit in 1822. I would touch on how it became a clan symbol and what it is today.
Yeah.
Maybe give 2 minutes to Glen Affric. I'd break it down into 4 minutes or so per section. Yeah, and kind of what it means, and a wrap up of 1 minute at the end of what it means now today, or what it started out as. That would be my go-to, I think. Do you have any thoughts?
Plastic. No, wait, that was the guard joint. Pretty much the same, honestly, because I'm a history nerd. So I'd want to try and explain how it came together as the national dress and as an art form, a fully developed art form in and of itself. I might throw in some mention of, ancient tartan, difference between tartan from the continental Celtic cultures or the Chinese mummies versus tartan as an art form in 18th through modern day Scotland.
Yeah.
An alternative would be talking about how tartan is perceived now and how people put all the meaning into the colors and the thread count.
I like that angle.
Basically.
Or how tartan design has evolved over time.
Exactly. A quick nod to the fact that, hey, it didn't used to be this organized. It used to be just whatever mom wove that winter. But nowadays, people do it to express themselves. And so I want you, when we're done with this, to express yourself by making a tartan.
Yeah, I think I like that angle better. It's keep it
fun.
Evolution of tartan design, keep it light. Yeah.
There's a lot of history to cover. I think it'd be easy to bog down. So
agreed, and you don't want their eyes glazing over.
Yeah.
Okay, so keep it fun and light. Yeah. Mac, do you have any input on what you would do for a quick 15-minute presentation on tartan kilt stuff?
Nope.
No.
Nope, he's got nothing. So there you go. Hire Mac for your next speaker at your company event. Man of many words. All right.
Hey, thank you for watching. As you may have guessed, the content that we generate comes from these shows and your questions. So if you have a question for us, tell us in the comments what you want us to talk about. And if you want other ideas about kilts and culture, be sure to check out our Facebook group, Kilts and Culture, on Facebook, obviously.